Most panic attack and anxiety treatments fail. You probably already know this, and you know this the hard way. You know this because you've tried those things. You've tried cognitive behavioral therapy, you've tried probably hypnotherapy, you've probably tried different supplementation, and you've probably tried prescription drugs. Now, they fail in the long term. In the short term, all of those techniques are fantastic. They help a lot of people. But do they help somebody if you really want to be rid of panic attacks and anxiety for years and years and years? I'm a psychotherapist myself, and I feel very disappointed with the whole field, because what we're doing, we're helping people, they're saying thanks, and we don't follow up with them in a year or two. But I decided to do that, and to my astonishment, most people that have been through therapy in our center were not as good as we expected them to be. And this is why I stopped doing psychotherapy for panic and anxiety and turned to a completely different way of dealing with that. So what is the best way to deal with panic and anxiety, in my opinion? It is self-regulation. What self-regulation is if you would take the best parts of hypnotherapy, but rather than going to a hypnotist that will charge you with appropriate suggestions that will suppress your anxiety and stop your panic attacks once, and then it will work for a few weeks and then it will dissipate, you do a little bit of that every day. It will take you 2 or 3 minutes and you will feel the charge that will help you for the next day. We've started doing this with our clients, and to our astonishment, most of them succeed to have their anxiety under control and sometimes get rid of panic attacks and anxiety attacks completely. So I want you to teach those techniques. I want to teach you those techniques. I want you to learn those techniques, but I also understand that you see me for the first time in your life. There was some random guy with an accent. I can tell you that I'm a psychotherapist. I can tell you that I've worked with people for years and years and years. I can tell you that I am from a European school of psychoanalysis originally, but now I do work with hypnotherapy and self-regulation primarily, but it will not convince you. So what I decided to, rather than trying to sell you a course on those things, I decided to create a free online course which you can take, you can try those techniques, you can see if they work, and if they work, you can go back to me and pay me on voluntary basis. So this is a course that you pay later for if it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, you don't owe me anything, completely free of charge. So if you like this idea, if you want to at least give it a try, I can tell you one thing: it's safe. The worst thing that can possibly happen that it won't work at all. The best thing that can happen, you will find a way to manage your panic attacks and anxiety, put them out of the control forever and ever and ever. That's the best possible outcome of this. So somewhere in this video and somewhere on the post that you see here on Facebook, you will see a link. This link will bring you to a page. On that page you can register for the course. You don't have to use your own name. You can go anonymous, or you can use your own name. That's totally fine. You'll enter your email where you'll get the confirmation with your password, and then you'll go to the membership zone, listen to the course, watch the videos, try it on, and see how it works for you. And then please get back to me if you have any questions or you have any results, positive results, negative results. I want your feedback. I want to know how it works for you. But if I've done my job right, you will be able to control your panic attacks and anxiety and do it for the long term. I really hope you will succeed, but let's first give it a try. So follow the links you see on this post or in this video, register for the course, try it and see if it works for you. Thank you so much for your consideration.